All right, welcome back to the LCP Digital Learning Channel. Today I have a really quick tip on how to keep up with all the changes of documents and things inside of your Google Drive. So if you're ever trying to figure out which documents have been edited by other people that you share with, I'm going to show you a quick way on how to keep track of that. So let's jump right in. All right, so here I am within my Drive. If you look over here on the right-hand side, there's this little eye. When I click this eye, it gives me this menu of all of the changes that have been made with shared documents. So if I just get in the habit of checking this every couple days, I can see if any of the documents that I share with somebody has been changed. So this is a quick, easy way to keep track of the different changes that have been made inside of Google Drive under shared documents.
If you found this video helpful, make sure and hit that like button.
To make sure you get more videos like this, be sure to click right here to subscribe and to click the bell to make sure you get notifications.
If you'd like to submit a topic or concept for future videos, there's a link in the description down below.
And if you're looking for more digital learning tips and tricks, make sure to follow us on Twitter.